ಓಂ ಸತ್ಯಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಯತ್ ಸತಾಂ ಹಿತಮತ್ಯಂತಂ ತತ್ ಸತ್ಯಮಿತಿ ಕೀರ್ತಿತಂ. The Lord is named Satya as He is the only well-wisher, guardian and Godfather of all the good men. Satyo hi Bhagavan Vishnuh Sadgunatvat Prakirtitah. Lord Vishnu is said Satya as He is full of all the attributes. तस्य हवा एतस्य ब्रह्मणो नाम सत्यमिति तानि हवा एतानि त्रीण्यक्षराणि सत् ति यमिति तद् यत् सत् तदमृतम् अथ यत् ति तन्मर्त्यम् अथ यद् यम् तेनोभे यच्छति. Goddess Lakshmi and liberated souls are considered Sat, whereas the unliberated souls are considered Ti. God Vishnu is considered Satya as he is the master of Goddess Lakshmi, and both liberated and unliberated souls. Sat Shabda Uttamam Bruyat Anandam Titi Vai Vadet Yeti Jnanam Samuddishtam Purna Ananda Dashistataha Satya Shabdoditam Tadrig Rupam Nityam Yato Harehe Satyavrataha Tato Vishnuhu. In the word Satya, the first part, Sat, means great, and Ti means pleasure, Ya means knowledge. So, the one who is a great, complete embodiment of bliss and knowledge is considered Satya. So is Lord Vishnu. Nirdukha Purnanandatvat Yamahuhu Satyamachyutam. The Lord is called Satya as He is void of displeasure and full of a divine complete pleasure. Sarva sadhu gunatvattu vayuhu satya itiryate tasyapi satyata data sadhu purna guno harihi. Lord Prana is considered Satya as he is full of all the attributes, and he gains those attributes with the blessings of Lord Hari. So, Lord Hari is considered Satyasya Satya, the greatest among all the great personalities. Prana vai satyam teshamesha vai satyam. This entire universe is considered Satya, and the Lord creates, protects, and at last destroys this universe. So, he is named Satyasya Satya, the greatest master of this universe. Like this, the Lord is named Satya in many ways.